Right, in this video, we'll look at the 3 word problems in Chapter 5, Section 5. A service center charges a fee of X dollars for an oil change plus Y dollars per quart of oil used. So X refers to the fee. Y refers to the dollars per quart of oil. Dollars per quart of oil. Now, when somebody goes to the service center to get their oil change, they're first going to pay the fee, which is whatever the labor charge to change the oil. Then they're going to pay for the number of quarts of oil that they use. So the first person used 5 quarts of oil, and plus the service fee, they spent a total of $22.45. The second person paid the same fee, but they used 7 quarts of oil, and they paid $25.45. So in this particular case, we can simply multiply one of the equations by -1, and we will get a system of equations that we can use with elimination. So we have, rewriting the first, we have -x minus 5y is equal to -22.45. Second equation, x plus 7y is equal to 25.45. We add down, we get 2y is equal to $3, so y is $1.50. Once we know y is $1.50, we can plug that into the first equation. X plus 5 times $1.50 is equal to 22.45. X, 5 times $1.50 is $7.50, is equal to 22.45. Subtracting $7.50 on both sides, and we end up with X is equal to $14.95. I was simply going to plug those into the second equation, both of them, to check. Our solution appears to be X is equal to $14.95, that's the fee. Y is equal to $1.50, that's the cost per quart of oil. Plugging that into the second equation, $14.95 plus 7 times $1.50, and we want to see if that is equal to 25.45. $14.95, 7 times $1.50 is $10.50, and that does equal 25.45, so that one checks. I'll go on to the next problem. In the next problem, a music website charges X dollars for individual songs. So X is price of individual songs, and Y is the price for entire albums. All right, now first person pays $25.92 for 6 individual songs. So 6 times X, and 2 albums, 2 times Y. They spent a total of $25.92. Second person buys 4 individual songs and 3 albums and pays $33.93. Then we are going to need to use a least common multiple here. I will use the 2 and the 3 to get them to become 6. So I'm going to multiply the top by +3, the bottom by -2. When I do, I get 18x plus 6y is equal to, so 3 times 25.92 is equal to $77.76. Next, -2 times 4x is -8x. minus 6y is equal to negative 2 times 3393, and that is equal to negative 67.86. Now we're ready to add down. When we do, we get 10x is equal to $9.90 divided by 10. We get x is equal to 99 cents. So that is the price of the individual songs, 99 cents. Now we're going to take that and plug it into the first equation. So 6 times 99 plus 2y is equal to 25.92. 6 times 99 is $5.94 plus 2y is 25.92. Subtracting 5.94 on both sides is going to leave 2y is equal to $19.98. Dividing by 2, we get y is equal to $9.99. So that is the cost of an album, $9.99. To check, we're going to plug both of those into the second equation. 4 times 99 plus 3 times $9.99, and make sure that that is equal to $33.93. 4 times 99 cents is $3.96. 3 times $9.99 is $29.97. And the question is, does that equal $33.93? And you plug them into your calculator, you will see that they do. Okay, we'll go on to the final problem in this section. In problem 28, the circle graph shows the results of a survey in which 50 students were asked about their favorite meal. So we know that there's a total of 50 students. We know for dinner there are 25 who chose dinner as their favorite meal. Then we have breakfast and we have lunch, and we know that all together that's got to equal 50. So if I were to subtract 25 from both sides, I would have the equation: the number of students who prefer breakfast and lunch are 25. And that makes sense. That would be half. All right, the first thing we're asked to do is to estimate the number of students who chose breakfast and lunch. Well, from estimating, it's going to be breakfast will be less than half of 25. Half of 25 is 12, and lunch is going to be more than half of. So let's estimate at breakfast is less than 12 and a half, so maybe that's 10. Lunch is a little more than 12 and a half, so maybe that's 15. All right, next thing we want to do, we know that the number of students who chose lunch was 5 more than the number who chose breakfast. So we're going to start by saying breakfast equals lunch. Are they the same? Well, we know that they're not the same. Which one has more? We know that those who chose lunch are 5 more than those who chose breakfast. So lunch is already more. We don't want to add 5 to that side. We either need to take away 5 from the lunch side or add 5 to the breakfast side in order for them to be in balance there. So all we need to do at this point, we've already solved for b, so we're going to replace b in the first equation with L minus 5 plus L equals 25. 2L minus 5 is 25. Add 5 to both sides. 2L has to be 30. So L has to be 15, and then if breakfast plus lunch is 25, then B plus 15 is 25, and breakfast is 10. And all we need to do is check, and is lunch 5 more than breakfast? It is, and so we have our solution there. All right, so we're going to complete this video.